External sector in India. Question 1. In the context of the external commercial borrowings, consider the following statements. 1. External commercial borrowings constitute the largest component of India's external debt. 2. External commercial borrowings facilitate investments in the Indian stock markets. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 2. Consider the following statements. 1. The idea of Tobin tax was to end the speculation and volatility in the stock prices of the secondary market. 2. Scarcity of dollars in the Indian market are favorable for the exporters and not for the importers. 3. Nominal exchange rate considers the purchasing power of the country and excludes the effects of inflation. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 3 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 2 only. Question 3. Consider the following statements. 1. Balance of payments, BOP, records the economic transactions between the citizens and non-citizens of a country. 2. Trade protectionist policies of the USA government can adversely impact the current account deficit of India. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 4. In the context of the special drawing rights of the IMF, which of the statements given below are correct? 1. The concept of SDR was introduced as an alternative to the Triffin dilemma. 2. The IMF does not offer any interest rate on the SDR quota deposited by the countries. 3. Trading of SDRs amongst the members is prohibited for the management of the balance of payment crisis. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1 and 3 only. Question 5. If India adopted full currency convertibility without any limitations, which of the situations given below would see considerable increase with respect to Indian market? 1. Easy movement of foreign portfolio investments. 2. Increase the non-performing assets. 3. Avoidance of profit shifting. 4. Currency volatility risks. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1, 2, and 3 only. B. 2, 3, and 4 only. C. 1, 3, and 4 only. D. 1, 2, and 4 only. Question 6. Consider the following statements. 1. The concept of helicopter money is used to boost demand in the economy. 2. Negative interest rates act as liability for the depositor and assets for the borrower. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 7. Which of the below mentioned steps are likely to cause the appreciation of rupee against dollar? 1. Increase limit of FPI in Indian bond market. 2. Currency swap agreements with other countries. 3. Increase threshold for external commercial borrowings. 4. Dollar swap between RBI and the Indian banks. 5. Dear money policy of RBI. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1, 2, 3, and 4 only. B. 1, 3, 4, and 5 only. C. 2, 3, 4, and 5 only. D. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Question 8. Consider the following statements. 1. Countervailing duties on imported goods have been abolished in India. 2. Inverted duty structure relates to the exporter country while anti-dumping duty relates to the importer. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding World Trade Organization, WTO. 1. Agreement on Agriculture is the only agreement of WTO regarding subsidies. 2. General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, GATT, covers both the goods and services. 3. India's tax relief to Special Economic Zones, CES, is regarded as a kind of trade barrier in WTO. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 and 3 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3. Question 10. Which of the following best describes the special safeguard mechanism often mentioned regarding WTO? A. It permits the imposition of taxes on imports by a member country in case of breach of the upper subsidy limit by another member. B. It includes within its purview the levy of countervailing and the anti-dumping duty to protect domestic manufacturers. C. It permits the imposition of taxes tariffs by the third world countries to protect their farmers from the export surges by the developed countries. D. It is a set of reforms that extends the peace clause on agreement on agriculture to an indefinite period. Question 11. Which of the situations given below are likely to increase the external debt of the country? 1. Increase deposits in the foreign currency non-residence accounts, FCNR. 2. Tightening the thresholds on the external commercial borrowings. 3. Increase in the share of SDR receipts. 4. Appreciation of rupee with respect to dollars. 5. Decreasing subsidies on exports. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1, 2, and 3 only. B. 1, 3, and 5 only. C. 1, 3, and 4 only. D. 3, 4, and 5 only. Question 12. Consider the following statements. 1. Signing of free trade agreements have helped India in boosting its exports. 2. The concept of rules of origin are not applicable to the FTA partners. 3. Special 301 report of the USA lists countries with records of exchange rate manipulations. Which of the statements given below are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3.